Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best cream soda is probably one of the most iconic and beloved flavors in the world of carbonated beverages, offering a nostalgic trip back to simpler times with its distinctively sweet and creamy profile that dances on your taste buds, making it a perfect choice for those seeking a delightful and refreshing treat that stands out from the usual cola or lemon lime options. And today we're diving deep into what makes this particular SodaStream flavor a must-have for your home soda making adventures. Number 5. SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker. Introducing the SodaStream Terra, your solution for fresh sparkling water at the push of a button. Enjoy customized beverages with ease. This all-in-one package includes the sparkling water maker, a 60L CO2 cylinder, and a 1-liter dishwasher-safe bottle. Everything you need to get started. Powered by a CO2 cylinder, each one carbonates up to 60 liters of water. It's an energy-efficient way to enjoy your favorite drinks. Featuring an easy snap-lock bottle insertion, you can achieve quick carbonation in seconds. Making sparkling water has never been simpler. It's compatible with all SodaStream flavors and carbonation bottles, excluding the glass carafe. Enjoy endless customization possibilities. Designed specifically for the SodaStream Quick Connect CO2 cylinder, ensuring a secure and efficient connection every time. What we like? This is the most convenient option for everyday sparkling water. Its dishwasher-safe bottle and easy snap-lock insertion make carbonation a breeze. If you're looking for a no-fuss way to make fizzy water at home, this is the one for you. What people say? This is a great flavor for the SodaStream. It tastes just like the cream soda I remember from my childhood. I love that I can make my own cream soda at home. It's so easy to use and the flavor is delicious. The SodaStream cream soda flavor is a fantastic addition to my collection. It's perfect for making refreshing drinks on a hot day. Number 4. Joe's Syrup Organic Irish Cream. Discover the rich, creamy taste of our organic Irish cream syrup. Made with the finest organic ingredients, it's a treat you can feel good about. We believe in natural flavors. That's why this syrup is crafted with certified organic ingredients, ensuring a pure and delicious taste in every drop. Perfect for your morning coffee, decadent desserts, or creative cocktails. Elevate any beverage or dish with its smooth, authentic flavor. Savor the essence of Ireland with our organic Irish cream. It brings a touch of sophisticated sweetness to your everyday moments. Enjoy plenty of this delightful syrup with our convenient 750 milliliters bottle. It's perfect for sharing or for keeping your favorite flavor on hand. What we like? Experience a sophisticated twist on your favorite sodas with this organic syrup. Its rich Irish cream flavor offers a unique taste experience. If you enjoy creamy, dessert-like beverages and prioritize organic ingredients, this is a must-try. What people say? The cream soda flavor is a great addition to the SodaStream lineup. It tastes just like the cream soda I remember from my childhood. Easy to use and makes delicious cream soda at home. Number 3. SodaStream Cream Soda Syrup. Indulge in the classic, creamy flavor you love. Our syrup makes it easy to enjoy a refreshing cream soda anytime. Transform your sparkling water into a delightful treat with just a pour. It's the simplest way to get your soda fix. Experience the balanced sweetness that defines cream soda. This syrup delivers that nostalgic taste with every sip. Customize your beverage to your exact preference. Add as much or as little as you like for the perfect bubbly drink. Whether it's a party or a quiet evening, this syrup adds a touch of sweetness to any moment. Enjoy a delicious, homemade soda. What we like? Get that classic, nostalgic cream soda flavor with this dedicated syrup. It's easy to mix and provides a consistent taste every time. If you're a true cream soda aficionado and want to recreate that beloved taste at home, this syrup is your best bet. What people say? This is a great way to make your own soda at home. It's easy to use and makes delicious soda. I love that I can control the amount of syrup I use to make my soda. Number 2. SodaStream 30 ounces stainless steel replacement bottle. Introducing the 30 ounces stainless steel replacement bottle for your SodaStream. It's designed for a healthier, more sustainable choice, completely free from plastic. This bottle is specifically designed to be compatible with your SodaStream crystal machine. Enjoy the convenience of easy integration. Crafted from durable 18/8 stainless steel, it's built to withstand everyday use and accidental drops. This rugged construction ensures long-lasting performance. Experience perfect carbonation every time. Its superior sealing mechanism prevents leaks and maintains optimal fizz pressure for your favorite drinks. Make an eco-friendly choice for your home. By eliminating plastic, you can enjoy your sparkling beverages with peace of mind, knowing it's better for you and the planet. What we like? Choose a healthier and more sustainable way to enjoy your carbonated drinks with this stainless steel bottle. Its plastic-free and leak-proof design ensures durability and peace of mind. If you're concerned about plastic and want a robust, eco-friendly bottle for your SodaStream crystal, this is the ideal upgrade. What people say. Makes great tasting soda. Easy to use and set up. Love that I can control the sweetness. Number 1. Bakto Flavors Soda Seltzer Collection V3-6. Introducing the Bakto Flavors Soda Seltzer Collection, version 3-6. Experience a delightful range of natural flavors in every bottle. Indulge in the smooth, sweet taste of our cream soda. It's a timeless classic that brings comfort with every sip. Enjoy the invigorating zest of our cola. This familiar favorite offers a refreshing and satisfying experience. Savor the distinctive, aromatic notes of our root beer. It's a uniquely satisfying flavor that stands out. Brighten your day with the vibrant citrus burst of tangerine. This lively flavor is sure to awaken your senses. Quench your thirst with the crisp, clean taste of lime. It's the perfect way to add a touch of tartness to your day. Escape to paradise with the sweet, exotic flavor of mango. This tropical delight offers a taste of sunshine in every drop. What we like? Explore a world of taste with this collection of natural flavors. From cream soda to tropical mango, there's a flavor for every mood. If you love experimenting with different seltzer tastes and prefer natural flavorings, this variety pack is perfect for you. What people say. The flavor is great, and it's easy to use. I love that I can make my own soda at home, and it tastes just like the store-bought kind. This is a fun way to make drinks, and the kids love it too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.